Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
We sand. Oh, we got guests in the
That's good.
in shop today.
That's good.
Got Mad Max, Rod Laurie,
Yeah.
and Super Dog Denick.
Yeah. Come on, put your head in. Come on.
They're here watching, guiding. Rod's the new tech guy. The new thing, he's teching down there already. While I'm sanding. So, I'm going to turn the camera. He's editing too, by the way. Well, I'm trying to... I'm going to dare somebody to comment down below there and say, hey, why don't you hold your plaque down while you're sanding? And I thought, no. There's a reason for it. Put it on a slick surface, and if you put pressure on it, see how it moves? There's no reason at this point in the stage of the sanding to hold it down, because you want really light pressure. And then you sand out all the imperfections, see? Kind of just like that. Cut up a pile of wood too. We got a whole bunch of centers we're gonna put in with those, and those lists got bigger because of that list right there from Give to Those. So things are gonna start getting insane again here in my shop. Rod's still playing with his damn phone.
Yeah.
He goes, yeah, man, you want me to shoot video? I'll shoot video. Okay, so here I am holding my damn phone while he's editing. He's going to post on Facebook here in a second. So, what is it, at Rod Laurie? We're going to put it on Instagram. Instagram, that's a better... Well, I ain't going to say Instagram is better. Honestly, I don't like... The other thing I can't stand about Instagram is that all the freaking little girls that... Jesus, man, really?
Instagram, you can only do like about a minute of video.
Yeah, it's got to be a quick clip, short.
Yeah.
They do the shorts, which is fine. We can make a short for Instagram then. That's easy. Well, it's easy for Rod. Not so easy for me. Now we're going to go this way. I can tell when I'm sanding too hard because my plaque starts to move. I don't know if you can see all them little grooves right there. You know, that stuff right there, it's just... That's what I just want to take it down a little bit. Keep that clean. Yeah. The old cowboy wipe and rub. Back to sanding. Yeah, why not? Perfect. Really try and switch hands with this so I can show you what's going on down here. Ah, no, that's annoying.
I know.
That's really